You want to help to mind your family. You want to help your man financially. But nowadays it's really very hard to get a work as a girl in America. You're looking out to find something to do. You meet a boss man who promised to help you. But when the man let down the condition, nothing else but humiliation. They want to see your whole anatomy. They want to see what your doctor never see. They want to do what your husband never do. And still yet though those camp won't hire you. But if it's all this humiliation to get a job these days as a woman, brother, they can keep their money. I go keep my honey and die with my dignity. Some of them don't park up already, yet them sit down waiting like hypocrites within the power of a cash and position, waiting to abuse and exploit any woman. To get a job you have to go to bed with he. Turn slave, second wife and deputy. And as a next woman come on the line, they start to tell you went good, you can't whine. They want to see you with a fancy pose. They want to see how you look without your clothes. They want you cock up like a bloody acrobat. The wife at home, they can ask you to do that. But before I have to lick down somebody and cause they make the police come for me, but rather they go keep their money and go keep my honey and die with my dignity. I know there's a lot of women just like me who might not be so well off financially. You need a job and you really need it bad. A man decide to help, you must be glad. But if you value yourself as a woman, you will demand respect from the vagabonds. Stand up to them and let them know the truth. It's work you want, you ain't no blinking prostitute. You have a mole on your back they want to see. They want to see if you have none on your belly. They want to know how much man you were before and if you're strong enough to take any more. I have me pride and I have me ambition. I'm going to hold my head up high as a woman. So brother, they can keep their money and go keep my honey and die with my dignity. Keep their money and go keep my honey and die with my dignity.